Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from CrimeCamNow, and the title of the video is "Caught Stealing Beer, Then Tries to Grab Cops." You know what I mean? I don't want to say the word because you know YouTube is really sensitive. So let's get into the video.
On November 30th, 2022, Doraville police officers responded to a shoplifting incident at a Citgo gas station in Doraville, Georgia. An employee reported that a man took beer into the bathroom and came out empty-handed.
Oh, they look like they in the hood. Woo! It's about to go down. Oh, yeah.
What's going on, dude? Let me see your hands. What's going on? What'd you do with the beer? Huh? You're telling me he's... I got you.
I don't think I just came here with the same bag I came with. I just left right there.
Where you live at? Take your hands out of your pocket again.
1062. One game. 2 games. No.
1025. Let me see your ID.
That one silver?
Let me see your ID.
No, I'm secure.
Huh?
I'm secure, I'm fine.
All right, let me see your ID.
I'm fine. I just left it in the
You ain't got no gun on you, do you?
No, I know. I just live in an apartment. I live over there at Sharon Park. I just live over there at Sharon Park.
All right, let me see your ID.
Coming out front. Probably left it in the house. I'm sorry.
What are you talking about, your security? What are you talking about?
No, that's my job. That's my job.
All right, let me see your ID.
I just left it in the house, man. I just came out there in my pajamas. That's all. I just came out there in pajamas.
317, how far are you away?
What's up with you?
All right, I'm patched down for myself.
1 minute.
Here you go, son. That's all it was telling me.
What is this right here? I got
No,
you.
it's your crime
What
bag.
is that?
Easy,
What is
brother. Easy, brother. This is my crime roll bag. It's my crime roll bag.
It's what?
It's my crime roll bag.
What's in there? What's in there?
I just came out the house.
What's in there?
Just little beads. That's all.
Sergeant Casper, hello, 2.
So, bad beads, bad bathroom. That's all. The freak shit.
Oh, you're talking about rosary beads?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ain't no beats. Ain't no beats.
Oh, I don't want nothing to do with that. All right, let me see what. Check your backpack out.
I'm okay with that. I'm okay with it. I'm
You're
okay
okay
with
what?
it. I'm okay with that. If you want to say with your precinct, we'll work that shit out now. I don't want to say.
All right, well, what I want you to do is go ahead and turn around, place your hands behind your back. I'm going to detain you.
Don't put your hands on me like that.
Step it up, 317.
No, I'm gonna take my bag. I'm gonna take my bag off. Let me take my bag off.
Don't resist. Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Do not resist. Put your hands behind.
Hey, easy.
Do not resist.
Easy.
One failure to comply to verbal commands. He's 769.
That's crazy. That's insane, bruh. You tried to, oh my God. You went from going to jail for like a little petty theft or whatever to this is crazy.
I'm gonna take my bag off. Let me take my bag off.
Don't resist. Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Do not resist. Put your hands behind.
Hey, easy.
Do not.
Look, if y'all pay attention, look at his face. I'm gonna rewind it one more time. He looks down at it twice. I'm gonna rewind it.
I'm going to detain you.
Watch.
Don't put your hands on me like that.
Step it up, 317.
No, I'm gonna take my bag. I'm gonna take my bag off. Let me take my bag off.
Don't resist.
Watch.
One.
Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Do not resist. Put your hands behind.
Hey, easy.
Do not resist.
Easy.
One failure to comply to verbal commands.
4.
He's 769.
It ain't your foot. I'm in the car. Get the car. Put your hand behind the back.
The suspect ran outside, and a struggle ensued as the officer attempted to place him in handcuffs. Backup officers arrived, and the suspect was eventually restrained.
You gotta pay attention to body language. The cop is probably looking at him in his face. He looked at the gun 4 times. Oh, damn. Well, we already kind of into the video. YouTube, you don't be playing, man. Don't be yellow marking my videos, man. I know y'all don't want me to. Hey, YouTube, y'all be too sensitive, man. This is good content for the people, man. But anyways, yo, he looked at it 4 times. He looked at it 4 times. If you paid attention to his body language, the cop should have been able to know that, okay, he's going to try and reach for something. Because 4 times, he trying to see, he gauge how far it is away. How would I be able to maneuver it of course, it's fine to see it now that we looking back on the footage. But, police officers, they're highly trained. You know what I'm saying? They're, some places they're highly trained, but they're trained, to key up on body language and stuff like that. So, I feel like a veteran, especially if you working in the hood. If you working in the hood and you patrolling the hood, you should know body language. You feel me? So he should have seen it, because the first time I'm watching the video, I seen him start looking at it. That's why I stopped it and I rewound it to let you guys, see, because people just looking at it probably didn't even notice that. But you should be able to pick up on body language,
No, you easy.
Easy. Turn around.
Put your hands behind your back.
Hey, no, don't take my bag off. This is my bag. Get on my bag. This is 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 my bag. Lay down. You're going to jail with me. I'm not going to jail. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. I'm a security guard. Calm down.
Put your hands behind your back.
I can't get my taser. I tell you.
No, just taser. This is gonna hurt.
Calm down.
Calm down. Are you trying to get tased? Calm down.
Calm down.
Right, clear.
He said, I'm a security guard.
You're resisting? I'm not resisting, man. What are you fucking stripping me fucking nigga for? You fucking crazy son of a bitch. What's wrong with you?
Get in the car.
Don't touch me like that, man.
Get in the car.
Get in the car. Fuck who you are? I got it. Security guard. Security guard. What the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck is wrong with you?
317. Put the challenge service. Subjects in custody. Start 1091.
Oh, man. Gosh. Before I was in corrections, I was a security guard, right? And listen, you as a security guard is the lowest form of any type of, if you want to consider it law enforcement or whatever, but you're not law enforcement because you ain't enforcing no laws, but you're the lowest form of anything. They do not respect you, okay? Honestly, you can't do nothing as a security guard. A lot of times, the places that you work at, they don't want you to touch the people, whatever. When you're there to, monitor and call in to the cops to what's going on. You know what I'm saying? You're not really there, to observe and report. That's the great way to say observe and report. That's what you do as a security guard, okay? That's it. They do not respect you. They don't care. And especially if you somebody that's yelling, I'm a security, that could mean anything. Are you a licensed security guard? Are you unlicensed? Are you a security guard at a nightclub? Are you a security guard in a hospital? You know what I'm saying? There's different forms and there's levels, even to security, there's levels to it. You know what I'm saying? But either way it goes, they don't respect you, man. They really don't, you know? And going back to the body language thing real quick, and after this, I'm gonna let it rock, because I know, you know, you're not here to listen to me and rant about my life, okay? But I just try to, you know, relate to the situation if I can. So anyways, going back to the body language with him looking down, keep looking down at the weapon, at the police officer's weapon. And we talk about body language, right? The reason, yeah, I could pick up on that because I have law enforcement experience. You know what I'm saying? So to a trained eye, yeah. But what I'm saying is that he should have definitely been able to pick up on that and be able to blade himself so that way the weapon is further away and he's kind of at a bladed stance. He's not so like this. He's more like this to protect the weapon, bring it back a little bit more, you know. But I get it. When you're in the heat of the moment, you don't really think about those things. But it's the little things that could be really life or death, because if he was able to get a hold of that or whatever, which the holsters have different mechanisms and stuff like that in it, so that way people can't just grab them anyways. But if he knew what he was doing or whatever and would have been able to get it out of the holster or whatever, that's life or death. That's your life that you playing with. So you better pay attention to that body language, man.
Where's my flashlight?
317. Is everybody out there okay?
Yeah. He tried to grab my gun.
Oh, he tried to grab it.
He actually grabbed it. I mean, he couldn't get it out.
Is that the first time that's ever happened?
Yeah, like that, yeah.
It's shooting fucking gun. So he got have a gun. He tried to get you.
I gotta go in here again.
Yeah, go ahead. So what? Did you get your phone?
Thought you were dying.
Huh?
Thought you were dying.
Well, I was busy holding him and trying to talk on air.
I know. I mean,
I don't see no beer in there.
he smells like it.
You sure?
Yeah.
So you drink all 12 cans inside the bathroom?
Not unless he's got it. I don't see it.
You don't find no empty cans as well?
Does that back lift off?
Huh?
Does that lift off?
I see only one can, but it's something else.
Well, that's not that kind of beer, though. Well, I don't see nothing. Nope.
No empty cans?
Nope.
I can pull up the video. You can see.
Okay, it's missing.
Yeah, but you can see him grabbing it and running into the bathroom. See?
Okay, all right.
I don't know what he did with that.
All right, maybe it's in a... Yeah. Give it there, this right there.
That would be the first thing I check. The backpack.
That's where it's go.
Yep. How much is that 12 pack?
About 20 bucks.
How much?
$20.
$20 for that? All right. You got your beer back.
Yeah.
He's going to go to beer. You want to prosecute, don't you?
Huh?
You want to prosecute for shoplifting?
No, that's fine.
Yes or no?
What does the prosecuting mean?
Huh?
Like,
The answer is yes. The answer is yes. The guy just had an altercation inside of your store where the guy almost grabbed the cop's gun. Why you think the cop said, you want to prosecute, right? The answer is yes, you do. If he don't want to prosecute, they're going to be pissed. They're going to be absolutely pissed if he's just perfectly fine with only the beer being, you know, returned, bro. That's no. Crazy.
Shoplifting.
but we just want him to give the trespass.
Huh?
We just don't want him to come back here.
Well, come here right quick.
Yeah. Give him trespass.
This guy almost lost his life for a trespass. Ain't this something?
His cuffs in front of him. It might be better if you just drop him down there. There's going to be a fight if you try to take him out.
I might.
Yeah.
He don't even want to prosecute.
Well, I mean, he's got to go for your shit now.
Huh?
He's got to go for your
Oh, yeah, he's going for obstruction, yeah.
Just trying to remove your gangs, trying to remove your gun.
Roll my window down.
There's a felon.
On the other side, other side. Come here. Go ahead and tell him he's no longer welcome here.
Hey, you're no longer welcome here, you know?
All right. So if you come back here, you'll be arrested for criminal trespass. Roger that? All right. Cool beans. All right, man.
He's not gonna. He's crazy. I don't know
Well,
what.
that's not no charge.
Huh?
I can't do nothing about that. That's the way. There's no. That's freedom of speech.
What?
He shot him a bird. I said that's freedom of speech.
I mean, you know.
But I don't want to go to the court to just.
Well, you have to say if you want a criminal trespass warning, you have to say it.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Oh, I know he's been issued a criminal trespass now.
Yeah.
So if he comes back here, he's gonna be arrested for criminal trespass now.
Okay.
All right.
The suspect was charged with obstruction and attempted removal of a weapon from a public official before being transported to DeKalb County Jail.
Oh, I know they are pissed.
Let's go.
See, and this is the thing. If you're a store owner or anything like that, or you call the cops, but you don't want to press charges. This is in anything. You know what I'm saying? You call the cops for a reason, but you don't want to press charges. They're going to be pissed, bro. They're going to be pissed. This could have ended really badly, and all you want is just a trespass. Come on, bro. Come on. Like, oh, man. And now the thing is that when they get another call about this store, and they might take a little bit longer to get there. That's how I go. Listen, one hand wash the other. He should have pressed charges.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.